Welcome to our TED Talk. I'm just joking. We're doing a challenge. Plank challenge. Whoever planks the longest wins. Whoever loses has to buy the other one a Monster. We got a stopwatch right here that I'll probably be putting up on the screen. Hopefully this is short enough to be a short after I'm done editing this damn thing.
I wouldn't mind if it was a long video. I like just. What the hell are you talking about? You're just like both at the same time. You're like.
It's not gay if it's your homie.
For real, kissing the homies goodnight.
I win. That was hard.
Yeah.